Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can stop Facebook from sending you emails. So when you keep on getting those spam emails just like I'm getting right here, then here's how you can stop those emails really quickly. So literally all you need to do is go to your emails right here, and then you want to simply click on any email you are getting from Facebook with recommendations, for example, just like this one. And then here at the bottom of that email, you will see really small, it says unsubscribe. And it's blue, meaning you can click on it. And when you click on it, you need to open it. You can just simply open it with Safari or Google Chrome, just like this. Then you have to wait a few seconds. And then you want to make sure you simply zoom in a little bit right here. And literally all you need to do is click on confirm, as you guys can see right here. And that is the easiest way to stop getting emails over from Facebook. It's going to load a few seconds and then you should be unsubscribed from all of those emails. Alright, so after loading a few seconds, we can see that we are now getting unsubscribed from those emails and we will not get that certain type of emails anymore. So yeah guys, that's basically all you need to do to stop Facebook from sending you emails. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.